We're absolutely delighted to have 2 rainbow crossings at the front and the back entrance of Mary Immaculate College, and delighted to launch them during Limerick Pride Week. We feel they're so important here on campus as our visual articulation to support diversity, inclusion and the LGBT+ community.
We're very happy here in Mary Immaculate College to have a physical representation of the idea of inclusion that is so vibrant and so important to us as staff in the college. We're so happy that we have so many students and staff of different backgrounds and different experiences, and we can bring them all together to enrich everybody's lives.
Here at MIC, there are a large number of students who are part of the LGBTQI+ community. The college has invested in a permanent and visible show of solidarity with this community, as seen in the zebra crossing behind me. We at the Student Union are delighted with this, as it means all people from all sexualities, genders and orientations can feel at home and part of a community here at MIC.
As a member of staff here in MIC Limerick, I really welcome the installation of these rainbow crossings across the college campus. They are essential to represent the LGBT members of staff, students, visitors to the college, and I'm really proud as a gay man on campus and a member of staff to see these crossings. They're essential.